Pork Carnita tacos, all the flavor, none of the guilt. Hi, it's Jan Diatri, and today we're going south of the border for clean eating, Mexican style. In a word, delicioso. These pork carnitas are loaded with flavor without a lot of fat, carbs, and calories. You could make them in an Instant Pot, Dutch oven, or crock pot. Here are your ingredients. Pork tenderloin, lean and delicious, about 3 pounds. 6 cloves of fresh garlic, a real superfood. 1 jalapeño, and if you want to cut down on the heat, discard the stem and seeds. By the way, chili peppers are a known fat burner and can help fight off colds and flu. And you'll need lots of limes, about 5 or 6, enough to yield 1 cup of lime juice. Well, you'll love these delicious seasonings: chili powder, cumin, oregano, salt, and pepper. Then instead of tortillas, we'll use red cabbage leaves. At only 25 calories a cup, you can enjoy your carnitas guilt-free. Just pull apart the leaves from the whole cabbage, or slice it in half, core it, and pull the leaves apart. Red cabbage is a great choice for carnitas, high in vitamin C and loaded with antioxidants. So let's get cooking. Slice the pork tenderloin into 3-inch cubes. Combine the oregano, cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Mix it together, then divide in half. Place the pork cubes in a bowl and sprinkle with half the seasonings. Coat the pork thoroughly, and then in a skillet with zero-calorie cooking spray, sear the pork until browned. Searing gives meat a nice, rich, caramelized flavor, and it also speeds up the cooking time. If you have an Instant Pot, you can skip this step and sear the pork right in your pot. Since I'm using a crock pot, I'll add that brown pork, then the lime juice, the fresh garlic, the chopped jalapeño, and the rest of the spices. Then we'll just let the magic happen. Now here's a great clean eating cooking tip for you. If you find that you've added a little bit too much lime juice to that pork tenderloin, here's a great fix. All you have to do is add about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is an acid neutralizer, so it's going to smooth out all those flavors and you won't get that real harsh citrusy bite. When done, you can serve the pork chunky or shredded. If you want the pork to be a bit crispy, put it in a baking sheet and broil for just a few minutes. Now let's eat. Scoop the pork in a red cabbage bowl and top with green or red cabbage, radishes, and a sprig of cilantro. Flavor-filled pork carnita tacos, the Red Mountain clean eating way. For more recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.